Hey there, are you looking to bring the excitement of a water park right to your own backyard? Well, do I have something special to show you today? Introducing the Sunny and Fun Deluxe Inflatable Water Slide Park and Splash Pool with Tunnel. This amazing inflatable water park is perfect for families who want to have endless hours of fun in the sun. Whether you have kids who love to play in the water or you're just a big kid at heart, this water slide park is sure to bring smiles and laughter to everyone who uses it. One of the best things about this water slide park is its heavy-duty construction. Made to withstand hours of playtime, this durable inflatable is built to last. The included air pump makes it easy to set up and inflate in no time, so you can spend more time enjoying the water and less time setting up. With a climbing wall to reach the top of the slide and a splash pool at the bottom, this water park has everything you need for hours of entertainment. The tunnel adds an extra element of fun, providing a new way to slide and play. But wait, there's more. This inflatable water park is not just for kids. Adults can join in on the fun too, making it perfect for family gatherings, birthday parties, or just a weekend hangout with friends. The versatility of this water slide park makes it a must-have for anyone who loves outdoor activities. Now, let's talk about some real-life usage. Imagine setting up this water slide park on a hot summer day. Kids are running up and down the slide, splashing in the pool, and having the time of their lives. You can sit back and relax in the sun, knowing that your family is having a blast right in your own backyard. Compare this water slide park to other outdoor toys, and you'll see that it offers endless fun for a fraction of the cost. Instead of spending money on expensive theme park tickets or renting a water slide for the day, you can have your very own water park for a one-time investment. So, what are some tips for using this water slide park? Make sure to set it up on a flat surface to prevent any accidents. Keep an eye on young children while they play, and always supervise them near water. And most importantly, have fun. Let your inner child out and enjoy the thrill of sliding down the water slide. In conclusion, the Sunny and Fun Deluxe Inflatable Water Slide Park and Splash Pool with Tunnel is a must-have for anyone who loves outdoor fun. So why wait? Bring the excitement of a water park to your own backyard today. Click the link below to purchase your very own Sunny and Fun Deluxe Inflatable Water Slide Park and Splash Pool with Tunnel. Your family will thank you for it.